Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel, and I'm ready to show y'all this cute ponytail that I'm about to do on my beautiful client right here. She is amazing. The ponytail is from SamsBeauty.com, and I just want y'all to see how convenient, quick, and easy for under $20 that you could get this same look. And the ponytail is synthetic, and you can't even tell that it's synthetic, so that is a plus. So right now, I'm just blowing her hair out. Her hair is washed. She just needed it to be a little more straight. I'm not going to be doing a flat iron, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of an intense blow dry. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that. So now our blow dry is all done. Now we need to start molding our ponytail. I'm doing a high ponytail in the middle of her head. I'm separating her edges because I want to do a little bit of baby hair. And also I want to show you guys how this product works called Control. It's a black edge control that's really good. So she has a little, like, her edges are pretty thin, so this black edge control is actually going to help with that. After I'm done, you're not even going to know that her edges are a little thin. It's going to give her hairline a darker look. Like, it's gonna, I don't know how to explain it. Like, the edge control is black, so if you're, like, your hairline is a little spacey, it fills in those gaps to make you look like you got, full on edges. So the edge control is also gonna help with her hair because the ponytail that I'm gonna be using is black and her hair is brown. So being that the edge control is black, it's gonna go on black on her hair, and it's gonna make her hair appear to be darker than what it is. So I've sectioned her hair off into 3 parts, and I'm going to be using the Murrys Black Beezwax. This part of her hair in the middle is a lot thicker than the rest of it. So you want your ponytail to be as flat as it possibly can. If the person's hair is more on the thin side, you don't have to necessarily do the part, like piece by piece molding. But if the person's hair is thicker, you have to do the piece by piece molding because you do want it to be flat. You want it to be seamless. You want it to look really sleek. So just taking your time and, doing it section by section, it just makes the ponytail look a lot more neat. So I did that for the middle. In the front and the back, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just use my shaper piece by piece, spray it, use my blow dryer to mold it, and then that's how we're going to get the rest of it. Now I'm combing everything together. You see how it's the whole objective is to have, you need to have control over the hair. So you having full control over the hair, that's how neat your style is going to come out. So do not let the hair defeat you. You have the upper hand. So you have to do what it is that you need to do to make sure you have control over the hair. So now I'm going to use the control edge control that I was talking to you guys about. I'm going to use it on the outside. And as you can see, it's going on black. So that little brown tint, you don't see her hair being brown. Now her hair looks like it's black. So we're going to get that in all the way around, and I'm going to work it in her hair. Now we got our ponytail up. So let me show you how these edges come along. So you guys saw how her edges looked before I put the edge control on. Look how her edges look now that I started to use the edge control on them. You can't tell that her edges were thinning at all. She does not look like she has thinning edges, or she doesn't, you know, sometimes it's different things that can cause, you know, your hair to thin. So for whatever reason it is, if you need to, you know, an extra product, this will definitely help you with camouflaging your edges to make them look a lot more fuller. You got a close up on this side. Now take a look at the opposite side. We're going to do the same thing as we did on the other side. Yes, control. So we're about to get our ponytail on. So I'm going to tie her hair down just to keep everything in place before I put on the ponytail. So now let's talk about this pretty quick pony from Outrè. So the ponytail, this is how it looks. It has 3 clips in it. You use those 3 clips around the ponytail, and it also has the wraparound already taken out of the rest of the ponytail to make it as easy as it can possibly be to install. It's basically a no-brainer. You do not need instructions. It's $14.99 to buy. Who can beat that? And it looks super cute once you're all, once everything is all done. It's really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how you apply it, just in case, some people may have seen it, don't really know how to use it. But as you can see right here, that is the wraparound part that you're going to use after you get the ponytail actually wrapped around your client or your hair. And you're going to use those 3 clips to hold it in place. So the clip in the middle is going to go in the front. You tuck that right in there. And then the side that does not have the wraparound is the side that you are going to wrap around first. So you need the wraparound to stay outside because you need, it to go on the outside. So you get that other side in, and then you take your wraparound and you start wrapping. Now, all you have to do is take some bobby pins, which they actually give you a pin with the hair, but you will need more than 1 pin. Well, I used about 3 or 4 pins just for security. But like I said, they do give you one with the ponytail, but just have a few, to the side just in case you need to use some more pins just to have it securely in place. Here goes the finishing touches. I put a little bit of holding spray so that everything can stay in place. And here goes our final product. Look how easy, look how simple, look how cute this ponytail turned out. The ponytail is synthetic fibers, but it looks natural. It looks really cute. Like I said, it's $14.99. I'm going to leave the links in the description box. Follow Sam's Beauty on Instagram. Follow BeautiiByDay on Instagram. BeautiiByDay is spelled with 2 I's if you guys did not know. I really appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll always be here with new content. You guys already know. And I also want to let you guys know that if you get tired of the ponytail, throw it up in a bun. 2 styles in one. See you guys later.